Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. What starts as a routine traffic stop after a driver is clocked going 87 in a 60 quickly spirals into a chaotic, multi-hour incident across multiple jurisdictions, leaving one person seriously injured and ending in multiple felony charges. All from what could have been just a speeding ticket.
12-13 coming.
At this point, the suspect vehicle is driving the wrong way on the highway, swerving into oncoming traffic and nearly striking a patrol unit before heading straight toward a Tesla on dashcam, likely capturing the victim moments before impact.
Southbound north of Stewart, start 8, priority, head-on crash.
So I'm 6 yards to the pit, just climbing out.
Now the suspect bails out of the vehicle and tries to run, turning a chaotic pursuit into a foot chase in seconds. The suspect jumps out and runs, almost gets struck by a police car, then immediately tries to carjack another driver to keep the escape going.
Get on the ground!
The suspect attempts to jump the guardrail to get away, but officers move in fast and take him to the ground before he can escape.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! What the f? Oh my god! Dude, chill out. It's over. No! Stop moving! Put your hands.
Officers attempt to take him into custody, but he actively resists, turning the arrest into a physical struggle.
Behind your back! Put your hands behind your back!
Dude, relax. Relax, bro.
12-13, still wrestling with the background.
Get us some more units.
As officers struggle to get him under control, a bystander steps in and tries to help.
12-13, still weaning back up.
I go check on them?
Yeah.
Okay.
You try to get up on that picture on your face, you understand?
Hey, who got hit?
She's alive, but she's bleeding.
Officers are then alerted that there's an injured victim, adding urgency to an already chaotic scene.
What? Yes. 760 coming. The victim got hit head on. We need aid priority. Start a tech as well.
Got a broken foot.
Hey, ma'am. I got the best firefighters coming to take care of you, okay? What hurts right now?
My stomach and my foot.
Okay.
She's telling officers where she's hurt. That confirms there's a real victim in this incident, not just a pursuit.
They're almost here. I can hear the sirens. Do we have an ETA on aid?
I don't think we're a priority.
Okay, just breathe, okay? In through your nose and out through your mouth, okay?
Try and get out of here.
The officer speaks with the truck driver about the crash, and it looks like his dash cam may have captured everything.
Are you the semi?
Yes.
Did you actually see what happened?
Yeah.
We're gonna need a witness statement from you. I appreciate you, sir. Do you know where you are right now?
I'm just one exit from my exit, I swear.
Okay. I know. Can I call a family member for you?
The suspect is transported to the hospital, and officers remove the handcuffs after he appears calm. But that changes fast when he slips out of the room, triggering a new struggle on Bodycam.
Stand around.
I need backup. The guy ran out of the hospital. We're walking on 1st Street in Davidson. He's fully naked. He pooped on himself as well.
South Patrol 125 is requesting his backup.
Officers catch up to the suspect and take him back into custody, bringing the situation back under control.
Just get him in there. Get him in there.
Come on, brother. Be respectful, dog. Come on. Appreciate that.
I can't breathe, bro. Breathe. I can't breathe.
Thank you, bro.
Come on, bro.
I'm in custody now.
Authorities identify the suspect as 36-year-old Richard Vanderpool. He's facing charges including vehicular assault involving injury, hit and run, resisting, driving on a suspended or revoked license, and failure to identify, along with multiple outstanding warrants tied to other cases. Following the incident at the hospital, additional charges related to escape are also under investigation. As with all cases, he is presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law. The victim was transported to the hospital, treated for her injuries, and later released. That's how this one ends. Suspect back in custody, and the situation brought under control. If you want to see more real footage broken down like this, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss what comes next.